Hey guys, this is Reviews More, back with a review from our favorite little German grocery chain, LIDL, L-I-D-L. This is for one of their in-house brand items. This is a Silvercrest 200 watt immersion blender. So this is a basic immersion blender that can be taken apart for easy storage, and we'll show you how that works in just a moment. As always, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's start out with the price. The price, I believe, is $14.99, and that was on special, so it might be a little more if it shows up at a higher price, but usually 14 bucks is what you're going to pay. It might drop down a little bit more. There are other blenders of this kind of quality, but not the immersion style. I think will drop down to 10, go up to 15, depending on the time of year when they're purchased. The cable that comes with it is about 3 feet long, I believe, so it's plenty of space to work with. Under the circumstances, not super long, not super short. Might be the only real downfall to it is might be too short for some people. The detachable blade is a stainless steel brush kind of finish. It comes in a variety of colors, but 3, I think it's red, kind of a Tiffany blue kind of color, and as you can see right there, has a turn dial adjuster as well as a turbo mode that just makes it go super duper fast no matter what the setting is set to. Overall, it feels very comfortable in the hand, and it has actually got some heft to it. It weighs a good bit. It's just, with the wires included, it's just under 2 pounds at 30.1 ounces. And I think I had it set to grams here at first. But it's a very robust feeling little appliance. So if you're worried about it being kind of flimsy, it's not like the way they used to be all kind of plastic construction. These have a lot of metal in them, so they feel pretty robust and pretty firm in your hand, like you're holding on to something with some weight to it. For this next part, you might want to turn your volume down. This is just a sound test. This is with the blade running at various speeds right up next to the camera, about 2 or 3 inches away. Minimum. Max. Max with turbo. And here's some of the same testing going on just in water, just so you see how much kind of force it has behind it. It creates a good bit of suction when it's in full operation, and that's good because, you know, it's got a lot of power behind it. But you should be ready for that extra suction when you're working with especially extra thick material like the soup you're about to see me test this on. Alright, so the remainder of this video is just me running the immersion blender through some tomato basil soup. So all this ingredients have been boiling for about an hour or so. So it's tomato as well as onion and carrots and other things. And this immersion blender is just going to power right on through them, and it goes through it like a champ. It's very simple. Added in cream, mixed it very well. And I probably overmixed it just to make sure, but it does a great job, and it just powered through it really, really well. And I don't have this on video, but after this I made my child a milkshake, and it was obviously very, very simple because the milkshakes are obviously less thick and robust than this stuff. I have not done anything with hard, like chopping up ice to make like a margarita or anything. I'm sure it would be fine. The blade seems thick enough and strong enough, but for the purpose of basic blending like with this soup, it works great. With that, that's the remainder of the video, guys. There's nothing really else to it except just watch me blend this soup. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and again, this is the Silvercrest brand immersion blender, 200 watts, that comes from the LIDL grocery store, LIDL. So thank you all very much, and have a great day.